Let's navigate the Incident Reporter feature. The Incident Reporter feature can be used by any user to report relevant issues. To report an incident, go to the address book. To begin the report, click on the plus icon next to the Incident Reporter. At the top, insert a clear name for the incident to make it easy to understand the situation. Next, you can expand on the incident by adding a description. You can also select the severity of the incident by choosing among low, medium, high, and critical. You can also add an attachment to show the incident. Once you are done with the incident report, click Done at the bottom of the screen to submit your report. A summary of the reported incident will be added to the Incident Reporter chat.